Okay, guys. So let's get started then. If all everyone is good, that's great. Let's get started. Okay, let me share my screen. Give me a second. Second. Did you guys get the idea till what we have discussed? Everyone clear with that part? Okay, let me share my screen because I'm just looking for the sheets. Paperwork. That we can feel relatable. Cool, guys. Let me know if my screen is visible to everyone. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. So if you are clear with the things, if you are clear with the things that we have already seen in this part, okay, let us start with something, some fresh function. Okay, let's start with something. Now, to get started with, I think my screen is visible. I think we have tried with product, we have tried with sum, we have done the sub subtraction as well. We have tried the summation of, yeah, I think we have tried the summation of multiple values, guys. Yeah. We have tried the summation of multiple values. Is that okay? I'm not sure whether we have tried that or not. If you can confirm, we have done that. Summation of multiple values of a range of values basically. But why I can't see this? It's a sum. It's a sum. Okay. Cool. Cool. No worries. Okay. Great. So your chat box is open here. Cool. Let's try to understand few new features in this particular class. So now talking about new features, we have average feature. Okay, that will take out the average. So everyone aware of what average is? The average is basically if we have these five numbers. I think average we have also done, right, guys? Yes, we have done the average in the last class. Yeah. Yes, guys. Remember? No one remembers that. No. Okay. Others. I think we have done average. Why? Because I can see these five numbers I have taken and I have got three output here. So that is what the average is of these numbers. Okay, no worries. Don't worry. I will repeat that. No worries. Let's start with the average. Okay, let's get started with average. Now we'll write the functions that we have done. Okay, so average is basically, let's say average of these five numbers is the sum of these numbers divided by the total numbers we are taking the average of. Okay, so in this case, we'll take the sum of these five numbers. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus, can you guys type the sum of these numbers in the chat until I'll do my mathematics? Yes, 15, correct? Yes, and the total number are 5. There are total 5 numbers. So average comes out to be 15 by 5, that is 3. Correct? Everyone get it? Got it? That is what average we have. That is what average is. But let's say we want to take out like for what is the average of these numbers, guys? You will take a good amount of time to do that, calculate that. Okay. So but we can do it in just by a small function. Okay, we can do it using small just a simple function. And we can do it using equal to, then average is the name of the function, sorry. Okay, and inside average we will write the numbers. So guys, if I have to take the average of from 75 to this 94, what should I write? Everyone, what should I write from this 75 to this 94? I have to take the average of all these numbers. What should I write? Everyone, I want everyone to participate. Okay, D2 to D13. Okay, others, what do you think? Is he correct? Is Satyam correct? Yeah, come on guys, let's do this together. D. Okay, the only way to learn in, at least in my batch, is to by responding it. Okay, otherwise, yeah, it would be difficult. Okay, cool. When we press enter, you can see this is the average that comes out to. If I have to take the average of these numbers, I can take it. Okay, let's say I want to take where you have to take the average of these numbers. Guys, can you write the command quickly? I have to take the average of these numbers. Quickly write the command in the chat, everyone. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Perfect, guys. So yes, average. Oh, what I'm writing. Average of L14 to L18 or L19. People are getting confused. L14 to L18. Okay. But we have missed the equal to sign. 3. Okay. The average of these numbers comes out to be 3. So that is the case, guys. Okay, now let's talk about another numbers. Let's say we want to find out the maximum of numbers, this the complete out of these many students. Okay, out of first 15 students or 10 students, we want to find out what is the maximum marks. So can you tell me the maximum mark, guys? What is the maximum marks that you can see? 85. Okay, others 85. Everyone, yes, perfect. So let's try to write the formula for getting the maximum marks. So the formula is max function. Okay, so max function will help us in this. So max of what should I write, guys? Please help me. Hmm? D to D. No, Nitish. Others, what should we write? Others. Guys, come on. D1 to D8. Okay. D1 to D8. No, I don't think, Rajat. D2 to D10. See, guys, we have to start from this particular cell. This is D2. Okay. And we have to end. Then we'll put colon. And then we have to end till here. Right. First 10 IDs. So it D10 to D2 to D11. Then we'll have to close the bracket. Then press enter. So we'll get the maximum marks. That is 85. Clear? Everyone? Are we good till now? Yes, no. Are we good? Yes? Yeah. Okay. In the similar fashion, let's try to find the minimum. So can you tell me the minimum marks, guys? In first 10, out of first 10 student, what is the minimum marks? Okay, minimum marks 55. Correct. So that's the formula. MIN min. And we have to start from here and then colon here. right? Everyone, yes. Now let's move to another function. For example, you are working on a data set. Okay, let's say I'm working on this data set, but this value is missing. Also, this value is also missing. You can see the average is getting changed. So if I remove this value, you can see just focus on this particular cell, average, this particular cell. Okay, you can see the average getting reduced. What if I remove 85? Guys, will the max will change? If I remove 85 from this column, will this max value will change? Yes or no? Okay, some people are saying yes. Okay. Some people are saying no. Some people are saying yes. Okay, I am also confused now. Okay, it will not change. Why? Because there is already a 85 over here. So if I remove 85 as well, the average will decrease, but the max value will not change. Okay, what if I remove this 85? Will the max value change? And if yes, then what value it will change to? Everyone? 78. Exactly. If I remove this, you can see max value changed to 78. Now, the thing is that I want to tell you, okay, let's say we are doing analysis of this particular column. Okay. Analysis what? Like we want to find out how many missing values are there in the column because we need to fill some values. Okay. And that is a part of data cleaning that will proceed with it. Okay. That is a part of data cleaning. So let's say I want to remove some values from this particular I want to find out how many of these missing values are there from this cell. Okay. So what I will do is there is a function called count. Okay, that will count the total number of values that are present. Okay, that are present in a cell. That a particular cell is filled with it. Okay. So I'll apply the function and let's see how it works. To count, we have to count from this number, this particular value, to this particular value, and it will give that there are five numbers that are filled. See, there are five numbers. Now, some people might get confused whether this five is number of values that are present or that are not present. So let me remove one more value, and you can see automatically see the difference. So now the count has become four. It means that the count calculates all the values that are present, all the cells. It will count the cells that are present that are having some values. Clear, everyone? Yes? No? Clear? Okay. Cool. Perfect. So let's try to test it on over this as well. Count this colon this. Why there is a zero, guys? Why there is a zero? Anyone? What I have done? See again. Look into the formula. Look into this formula here. It's correct. It should give. Yes, exactly. When I told you the definition of count, it calculates the numbers. Okay. So count basically work with numbers. And that's how the interviewer or that's how you might get confused if your basics are not clear. Some people might have better idea than you, but they don't if they don't have idea or understanding about these basic things, okay, they might struggle. Okay. And that's where your role will start. Okay. You don't have to struggle on these part. Okay. Clear? Yeah. Okay. Yes, status. That you will see in data visualization. That you will see in data visualization for sure. Okay, guys. Moving on to another function. So is that clear till now? Let me know this first. Is that clear, everyone? Till now? Yeah. Okay. The next thing that we are going to see is a very important function. Okay. And this will change the course of our working. Okay. This will change the way we are working and the way we have worked. Okay. From now. The function is if condition. Okay, if function. So how many of you are aware about if condition in general programming? Yeah, most of you are. Okay. So if function or if condition basically checks for a condition whether that particular condition is true or not. For example, if I give you a problem, if I give you a condition, let me do it. If I give you a condition that 4 is greater than 5. So is this condition true or not? Please, what do you think? If it is true, just type T. If it is false, just type F. False. Okay, perfect. So what we want to do, correct. I think you get the idea. So if condition, basically we want to get the grades here. Okay, let's say we want to get the grades here of all the students. Okay, now I'm copying some values here because I feel these values are empty. Okay, I'm copying some values here. So everything will change here. All that and analytics will change here. No worries. So what I want is I want some values. Okay, I want the grades here. I want to give grade to each and every. The class teacher wants to give the grade to each and every student. Okay, now how can we provide the grade? Okay, let us get some marking system. Okay, let's say the marking system is uh, students having greater than 90 marks will get the A grade. Student having 80 or maybe uh, students having greater than 80 marks. Okay, or obviously if they have marks greater than 90 they will be A. Okay, will get B. If they have greater than 70 they will get C. If they have greater than 60 they will get D. Clear, everyone? Everyone, are we clear? Clear with the grading system that we have designed? Yes. Any doubts? No. So what, so can you tell me the grade of a student who has got 670 marks, who has got 70 marks? What is the grade that student? C, or it means some of you have not got it. So that's what written here, guys. If I have got 70 marks, okay, greater than 70, I'll get C. But for 70, I'll get D. Okay, that's what I was checking. Okay, so please keep this in mind. If it was written, if here it was written greater than equal to, okay, then I would have considered 70 in in this part. Okay, but not for this case. Clear, everyone? Okay, perfect. So let us use the if functionality and get the grades. Okay. Now, how we'll write it? Okay. So equal to if. Okay. Now, if will have three parameters. Okay. If will have three values. Okay. Okay. So if will have three values. Okay. The first value, the second value, and the third value. Each separated by comma. Now, the first value will represent, okay, the condition. The first value will give us the condition. The second value will give us if this particular condition is true, what will be the output. Okay, the third condition will give, the third value will be, we have to write what if the value comes out to be false. Okay, we have to write the output. What I'll do is I'll control X this. I'll paste it here. So this is the if condition. So did you get it, guys? So what if I want to get the, I have to write the condition for this 90 marks. What would be the if condition? Can you write? Anyone? I have to write the if condition for getting a A grade. What should be the if condition? The if function, what is like the, what should be the complete if function? See, the first value of the if function is the condition that you have to write. Second would be true, third would be false. Second would be what if this condition holds to be true. The third value should be what if this condition is false. No, let's see how you can think of. Please listen me out carefully, guys. No, you are not listening me out. The second and third parameter, that is important. The second parameter is what if this condition is true, what you want in this particular cell. The third value is what if this particular condition is false. This condition is false, what you want in this cell. For example, in this cell I want the maximum value, in this cell I want the minimum value, in this cell I want the average. What exactly you want in this particular cell? For in this case, what I want at this particular cell, if the condition holds true. Correct, perfect. Yes, great. Very good, Simran. So just one important part that you missed, if there is a string, it is of data type string. Okay. So I'll tell you what string is. Okay. Don't worry. But we have to write it like in inverted comma. We have to write in inverted commas. Okay. So condition that you have mentioned is correct. Okay. But the thing is that you have not mentioned the condition correctly. You have mentioned the second last two parameters correctly. But the condition you have not mentioned correctly. No one has written condition correctly. Grades greater than 90? Come on, guys. Is the grade should be greater than 90? Grades is A, B, C, D. How grades can be greater than 90? Come on. No. Condition you are not getting it. Uh, okay, Jesus. Hmm. Marks greater than 90. Marks, where the marks are written. Afif, Sham. Okay, think about this. When I was writing maximum value, okay, what I considered, okay, what I wrote. When we were taking maximum value of this, what we have written? Maximum of D2 to D11, or we have written maximum of first 10 students, right? We have not written that, na? What we have written? We have written that, okay, maximum of, okay, let me give you a simple example. Okay. Let's say I want, in this particular cell, okay, I want the maximum. I want, I will write a condition. Okay. Let's say the condition is that 5 is greater than 6. Okay, if 5 is greater than 6, I want, what I want in this particular cell is I want A grade. Okay, otherwise I want B grade. Okay, this way. So what do you think, what would be the value in this particular cell? 100 greater than 90? You are not getting it, guys. Please forget about that question, answer me this question. What should be the value in this cell? If 5 greater than 6, comma A, comma B, what should be the output, guys? A or B? Everyone? B should be the output. Correct. If I press enter, B is the output. Okay. Now, let me give you another value. Another question. Equal to if this particular cell, if this one is greater than 3, what should I write? How to write this condition? I want to check whether this particular one is greater than this particular 3, or this particular value cell is greater than this particular cell value. I will give output A or B, whatever. Whatever value is greater, I will output that. So I will, what I am telling you. I want to compare this one with this three, okay, or the value of this particular cell with this particular cell, okay, and whichever value is greater, I want to output that. How to write this? Complete if statement. I don't want a half answer. Complete if statement. I want complete if condition. Everyone get it? Okay. Oh, now I can see good answers. Correct, guys. So if L14 is greater than L18. Now, what if this condition is true? If this condition is true, no, again, you are not getting it. I want to print, I want to get, I want to, if if this condition holds true, what is the value that I want? What I told you, I want the maximum out of these two values on this particular cell. I want to compare these two cells and I want to see the value of whichever is greater I want at this particular cell. For example, if out of uh, 1 and 3, okay, out of 1 and 3, yeah, out of 1 and 3, if 3 is bigger, I want 3 here. How to write it, guys? Out of 1 and 3, I want to compare 1 and 3 and I want to print the value of 1 and 3, whichever is greater. Yeah. Everyone? No, without using if statement, obviously. Yes, exactly. Exactly, Sundar. Perfect. So L14, comma L16. That's it. Clear, everyone? Did you get it? So if this condition L14 is greater than L16, it means that L14 is greater. If this condition holds true, then we want to print L14. Otherwise, we want to print L15, L16, sorry, because it means that L16 is greater. Right? Everyone? Cool. Please practice this, guys. Please practice by taking different problems. Okay, everyone. Are we good, guys? Yeah. Okay. Cool, guys. Yeah, that was all we needed to see in this particular class. Thank you very much. I hope you get the idea. I hope you like the class, and see you in the next class. Okay. Please practice if statements. I'll send you this Excel file in the group. Okay. Please practice on this. Okay. Okay, guys. Cool. Have a good day. See you. Bye bye.